Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm joining Mom from MomDas Live Handmade and Sonia from Domestic Diva 76 on the Useful DIY Challenge, and I'm so excited about this one because this is the upcycle glass edition. And now let me show you our supplies to make our crafts for today. These are our supplies to make our tier tray. To make our tier tray, we're gonna start by cleaning our plate and salad bowl and our 2-shot glasses with some alcohol, and then we're gonna add some E6000 to the top of the one of the shot glasses and then to the other shot glass, and we're gonna glue that to the plate just like that. Now we're gonna let it dry. And now that it's dry, I'm using the white chalk paint from Waverly to give it a good coat of chalk paint. I'm gonna give it 2 coats so it looks whiter, because as you can see it looks kind of purple. And after that, you don't have to focus on a beautiful coat and that it's even, because we're gonna cover that. Just give it 2 coats so the colors doesn't show a lot, and that's it. Now you see it, I have it covered, and now we're gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna come back with the antique wax from Waverly and I'm gonna start doing the wooden kind of look that I want to give it, and that's done by using an old paintbrush and some antique wax and just painting to the same side. As you can see, if you're doing it horizontally, just paint everything horizontally, and if you're doing vertically, just paint everything vertically. Cover everything on that antique wax and you will have a beautiful faux wood tier tray. And that's it. Let's move on to our other project. These are the supplies we're gonna need to make our faux brass vase. Now we're gonna take this glass vase and we're gonna paint it using this metallic Rust-Oleum in gold. And we're gonna give it a good coat of spray paint, and this is how it looks. And now I'm taking this licorice color, adding it to some water to make it glaze. And we're gonna glaze this piece by just sponging that glaze all over our vase. That's to get beautiful brass, antique brass kind of color. That's what we're looking for, and you can blot it like that, but I want a deeper rusted kind of look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glaze it completely and let it drip into a paper towel or just a paper plate until it is dry. After it's dry, I'm gonna give it a good coat of clear spray paint, and that's it. We have a brass beautiful vase. And this is how they turned out. As you can see, we have a beautiful tray over here, and over there we have the beautiful antique brass vase. This is how they look. I styled my tier tray with my perfumes on my bedroom because I love the boho vibe. And those are the monstera leaves from Walmart that I used to style the vase. And this is how they look. They are beautiful. I love them. That looks like real wood. Look at that. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. So you can go and check out the playlist, because I know you will find lots of inspiration over there. We have lots of awesomely creative and wonderful content creators that are joining this awesome challenge. I love the useful DIY challenge. And this is how it looks. Beautiful. I hope you like everything I created for this challenge. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Mom and Sonia for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how everything turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.